Tired of waiting days or weeks for support when your payment processor freezes your account? Let's fix that. This quick search shows that many creators and business owners appreciate fast, personalized support. With most big processors, you get generic responses and long waits, which can cost time and revenue if your account runs into an issue. EasyPay Direct offers white glove service, meaning you get a dedicated point of contact for any questions or concerns. On top of that, features like recurring billing and hosted checkout make running your business smooth and worry-free. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out today if you want support that actually works when you need it. Stop waiting on slow support and start working with a merchant account designed for creators, coaches, and info product businesses. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started with white glove service and stable payments.